In this video, I would like to talk about a repository. So imagine all the packages that we have been downloading on our computer. Basically, how our computer do to know where to download the package is going to be from some remote repository somewhere on the internet. So let's say we have a company A, which they maintain a lot of packages, package 1, package 2, package 3, and 4. And we have another company, B here, which gonna maintain package 1, 2, 3. They might have 100 packages, 100 packages. So for our computer to know how to go over there and download any package as needed, this company gonna give us a link. Company A1 gonna give us a link that we need to put on our computer. So if you're trying to download the package A1, that link is going to be the one who going to know how to go and connect to the server A1 and download the package that we want. The same if we want to download the package B, the company B going to give us a link that we need to put on our computer, and when we want to download the command B2, our computer will know how to get there and download it. This server is going to call a remote repository that they hold over there, because these are not on our computer. All the package here is not our computer, but for us to download anything we want, we need to have a link that need to know how to get there and download all those packages. So for that matter, for example, when we get on our computer to see all the package that we can download, all those links that we have, we do use the command dnf repolist. So as I do dnf repolist, now we can see that our computer have 3 links, upstream, base, OS, and extra. So our computer can download packages from those 3 links. Now, if I want to see what are all the packages that I can download from them, I can do dnf repolish -v, and it's going to tell us, like, from those 3 links, from upstream, we can download up to 5,000 package. From base OS, we can download up to 1,000 packages, and from extra, we can download about 51 package. So that's how. Do not confuse with, if I want to see what are the package that I have actually on my computer. From all those 3 links, we can have up to 800 packages. But if I want to see what are all the packages that I already have on my computer, I need to use the command comgen. And if I type that into word count, comgen.c, made a mistake here, I forgot that. So it's telling us, like, now on my computer, I have up to 1,400 packages that I can download. But if I want to, for all those 2 repository, I can download up to 8,700 packages. I don't have the 8,700 packages on my computer. Now I only have 1,400 packages. The link from those packages is going to be stored in the file called etc yum.repo.d. It's here that I'm going to see the link for all those repositories from where I can go and download those packages. So what we're going to do now, we're going to try to install a package that is called Terraform. So if I do a dnf-y install Terraform, as right now, my computer will not know where to download Terraform. Why? Is because at this point, we don't have a link yet. My computer does not have a link that's going to direct him to Terraform server to go and download those packages. My computer doesn't know how to get there. So what do we need to do? We need to go on Terraform website, which is called HashiCorp. We're going to get there and we're going to ask for the link. We're going to take that link, add on our computer, and then from there, anytime that we're going to try to download a package, our computer will know how to get there and get the package that it needs to do so. So for that case, now we're going to go on HashiCorp website. If I said download Terraform, for example, as we are going on Terraform website, and our machine that we are having here is a Linux machine, and we have a CentOS version. So this is the link that we are going to take here, which is going to tell our computer how to get there. So I'll copy this, and here to verify again, let me do a DNF Repolist. Here we see that we have a 3 link that could direct us to repository. And if we do a -v as well, we see that we have about 8,700 package that we can download. So now I'm going to add that link for the HashiCorp repository. So it's now being added. If we do again DNF Repolist at this point, we see that we have 4 repository to go download packages. And if we do a -v, it's going to do an update and it's telling us from HashiCorp we can download up to 1,200 packages if we want. And the total of amount of package that we can download had increased. At this point, we have not downloaded anything yet. So if we still look at the amount of packages that we have on our computer, we still have about 1,400 package that is installed on our computer. So we're going to go ahead and download now the package from the Terraform package to our computer, since now our computer know how to get to the HashiCorp website to download the package that we need. So it's downloading. So now that we have downloaded new packages, if we try to see what are all the packages on the repository, it has not changed because we have not added extra repository yet at this point. But if we look at how many packages that we have on our computer now, it went up. So now it's 1434, but earlier, before we download the package here, it used to be 1427. So that is quite the idea on how to set the repository on our computer. And the command DNF yum config manager /add repository is the easy way on how to manage and add it. You can actually, if you would like, add a repository manually. And to add a repository manually, as I'm here on this directory here, if I do a pwd, in this directory, when we do ll, we see here that we have an HashiCorp repository that is being created. So we need to create a repository manually. If you like, you do a VI, let's call that repository server. The most important part is the repo. When our command see the extension repo, that's how it knows that it's a repository, and it need to check the content of that file to go on the internet and download a package from there if we want. So I'm going to give here the name of our repository, which we're going to call server. And what the purpose of that repository. So the purpose of that repository, let's say we can call it install from CentOS, for example, and we're going to create a base URL, and that base URL, this is where we need to mention the name of the repository or the name of the server from where we need to go download the package that we want. So for that purpose, let me go here on a CentOS site, and I'm gonna try to get a link for the different package that I might want to get. So I want to get up to here as a repository for what I want. Did I copy? So basically, I would tell to my computer, if I want to download a package from CentOS, use this link to go over there. I download anything that we want. And I will add a GPG check. GPG check mainly means if to download something from this repository require a key, which a key is a layer of security. You want to make sure that you download something from a trusted sources. Here you need to set it to 1, mean I need to make sure that it's a trusted source before I download. But in this case, we don't quite care. That's why we say GPT check to 0, mean do not check, and just go ahead and download a package that I want. And here I'm going to set enable equal 1, meaning allow me to download from this repository. You know, if it says to 0, it's not going to let you download from there, but to 1 is going to allow you to download in that repository. So as I'm saving this, if we do again a DNF repository, JNS Repolist, sorry. Here now, it's telling us like we have another extra link from where we can go and download packages, and the purpose of that link, the name of that link is to install from CentOS. And if we do a DNF Repolist-V, we will see that the amount of package that we can download has increased also. And this is because from our server repository, we have about 39 packages that we can download from there. And if we do an LL on that link, we will see that down here, we have a server repo link that we have created from where we can also download packages. So mainly that's the idea about a repository, and that's the 2 ways on how you can create a repository to let your computer know how it can go about going on the internet and try to download a package that will need for any purpose that you would have. So that's the knowledge, applied and get comfortable with it.